Just 1 teaspoon of this powder a day will eliminate belly fat quickly. We all have the desire to have a flat belly and lean physique, but with the kinds of food that we eat, as well as our current sedentary lifestyle, it seems to be impossible to get those extra layers of fat to disappear. That's why I want to share with you this amazing fat burning recipe. Just 1 teaspoon a day can boost your metabolism and make your excess belly fat disappear quickly. If you don't know, metabolism is a rate at which your body burns calories. The higher metabolism is, the more calories you burn, and the easier it is to lose weight and keep it off. Now, I will show you the recipe. The first ingredient of this recipe is cloves. Cloves are not just a fragrant spice that will add flavors to your dishes, but they can help you lose weight in a healthy way. They aid in weight loss by stimulating your metabolism. One of the main reasons why you find it difficult to lose weight is because of the slow metabolic rate of your body. Besides, cloves helps improve your digestion. Bad digestion can lead to weight gain, as the body is not able to absorb and assimilate the nutrients properly. Moreover, it may not be able to eliminate waste from our body efficiently either. This can lead to slowing down of the metabolic rate, making it more difficult to burn calories properly. Therefore, good digestion will facilitate effective weight loss. Now prepare about 20 grams of cloves and pour it into a pan. The next ingredient of this recipe is cinnamon. Research has shown that cinnamon can help lower your blood glucose level. Blood glucose spikes are the reason why you feel hungrier. So, cinnamon makes you feel full and reduces the hunger pangs and cravings. This controls your diet in the long run and helps you reach your weight loss goal faster. In addition, cinnamon contains the essential oil hinamaldehyde, which when comes in contact with cells will boost the metabolism rate and activates the fat-burning processes in your body. It specifically targets belly fat, which is dangerous fat linked to serious health problems. Now prepare about 20 grams of cinnamon and place it into the pan. Next, you need to prepare cumin seeds. Cumin is great for detoxifying your body naturally and burning fats. By reducing the toxicity in your body and stimulating both your kidneys and liver, cumin can improve metabolic function and facilitate weight loss. Some elements in cumins can also aid sleep, which is a surprisingly important aspect of weight loss. Your body needs to rest to avoid storing excess fat and energy as it does when under stress. Getting enough sleep can also help maintain your energy levels to help fight fatigue and promote physical activity for weight loss. Now, add 20 grams of cumin seeds into the pan. Then, put the pan on the stove and dry roast all of the ingredients until the aroma emerges. After that, pour the mixture into a blender and grind it into a fine powder. Pour the powder in an airtight jar for gradual use. There are two ways for you to lose weight with this powder. The first way, put 1 teaspoon of the powder into a saucepan. Then add 1 cup of water. Put the saucepan on the stove and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, pour the drink into a cup and allow it to warm enough to consume. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. The second way, put 1 teaspoon of the powder into a bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey and stir well. Consume this mixture on an empty stomach every morning.